Crazy, but like this glue literally melted the shit out of my lace. Like, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today, as you guys can see from the title of this video, we're gonna be trying a completely different glue. I'm gonna be trying to go Spawn glue. This is a glue that I've actually never tried before. Literally for the longest while I've been wanting to try this product, and I finally just saw it in my local beauty supply store, and I was like, oh my god, I have to try it. Like, it's finally here. I do want to mention the hair that I'm wearing is from VIPbeauty hair. I'm wearing 3 bundles of their Peruvian body wave and a 20-inch lace frontal. But we'll get into all the details on this hair later on in the video. So for right now, let's get to the installing part. So usually I would use a lighter color stocking cap, but I don't have any at the moment. So I am going to have to settle for this. So I am doing a stocking cap method for this install. And also I'm using the Kdbmode Blasting Freeze Spray to hold down that stocking. And I'm just going to go ahead and cut off all that extra band that's in the front of it. And then I just added my foundation powder to lighten the stocking cap a little bit. After I went ahead and tried on the wig, now I'm taking this pencil liner and I'm just like marking off where exactly my wig is positioned onto my head. So once I'm ready to apply the glue to my forehead, I know exactly where to place it. As you guys can see, the glue does dry clear. It goes on white, but it does dry clear, so you don't have to worry about seeing the glue under your lace itself. And once the first layer of glue was dried clear, that's when I went ahead and applied the second layer, and I only applied 2 layers of glue. And then once the glue was clear and tacky, then I applied my lace. I do have more videos on, like, more detailed videos on how I apply my wigs and stuff like that. So if you are interested in seeing a more detailed video, I will leave links down below. That way you guys can go check them out. Because for some strange reason, my head was like out of the focus of the camera while recording this video for the installing part. And once the hair was onto my head, I didn't have to do any more customization to it. I only added some foundation powder to the roots of my lace itself just to make it appear more natural. And I added some baby hairs. So yeah, that was really all I did as far as installing wise. You guys, right now the only thing we should even be talking about is how freaking bomb this hair is and this install. Like, crazy, but like this glue literally melted the shit out of my lace. Like, this hair is from VIPbeauty hair. I'm wearing 3 bundles of their Peruvian body wave and a lace frontal. So I did go ahead and make a custom unit with the hair. I did use all 3 bundles in the lace frontal. This hair is so soft. The texture of the hair is really like silky and nice. Like, for shedding and tangling, I'm not getting any tangling. I am getting like a few strands every time I run my fingers through the hair. So yeah, the hair does have a little shed into it. The frontal was very easy to customize. I did have to do a little pluck into it to make it look really natural and nice. The texture of the lace is very soft. It's not those hard lace, so I really like that. The only thing I would say is that I did not like the color that the lace came in. It's like a grayish color, so you probably would have to bleach the knots of your lace, or you can just tint it with the makeup like I usually do. I do want to mention that I did purchase the Ghost Bond glue in my local beauty supply store. I purchased it here in Mississauga. If you live in Toronto, I believe like literally all the hair stores around here now are selling them. You can find this glue in either Clothes or BSW in Toronto if you are looking to purchase it. But yeah, literally the glue melted the shit out of my frontal. And I'm like really liking it right now. And lately all I've been using to glue my frontals down is not even glue it down, but just like hold it down, is this bad boy right here. I got to be blasting free spirit, but I wanted to try something different, and I finally got my hands on some Ghost Bond glue. I was like, let me try it for the first time. Like, I've never tried it before. And as you guys saw, when you apply the glue, it does go on white, then dries clear, and it's really not that messy. Like, I'm honestly shocked, because I feel like I even got some on my skin, but with the bulb hole you like see a little residue of it around your hairline. With this one, it literally just like melts right in. So I'm like so in love with this right now. Now all I have to worry about is how long is this install gonna last, because with my bulb hold I usually get a hold of maximum, I would say 2 weeks. So, and with this one I only use 2 layers. Usually with the bulb hold I use like 2 or 3 layers for like, you know, a good hold. And to be honest, I'm not gonna keep my wig on that long, so that's the only reason why I only apply 2 layers. But I'm gonna try it out for the week and see how long the glue actually holds before it starts lifting. And I might come back and give you guys an update on it. I'm not too sure yet. Honestly, if my wig lifts this tomorrow, I'll definitely be back on here to give you guys an update and tell you guys how shitty this glue is. Other than that, all the details on this hair will be listed down below in the description box for you guys. This pretty much brings us to the end of this video. Comment down below and let me know what's the longest hold that you've gotten with it. I want to know. And yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys in my next one. Bye.